You just squash them, crush them. You can also try and crush them in your hand. Udah jadi. Ayo, coba. Hi guys, welcome back bersama saya Tyson Lynch ke Tyson Lynch YouTube TV. Dapur si Botak, benar seperti itu. So hari ini guys, saya mau bikin bukan kue tapi something manis, sesuatu manis, okay? It's called honey roasted almond bars, okay? Pertama, you're gonna need oats, almonds, kismis, madu, kayu manis, and selai kacang, peanut butter. This is just a sweet treat, okay? I don't eat sweet treats sering, jadi kalau saya makan sweet treats, saya suka bikin sendiri. Okay, so first of all, get your almonds. Ambil almonds, taruh di kayak chopping board. So, ambil piring, atau sesuatu bisa smash the almonds. Now sebenarnya I really want to use these, and you should put them in the oven, pakai di dalam oven. Tapi if you don't have an oven, it's okay. Almonds sehat sekali. This is a very good snack. So you get our almonds down here like this. You just squash them, crush them. Now you can use a knife, tapi I don't suggest. My suggestion is don't use a knife karena itu bisa bahaya. So just press down on the plate, smash the almonds a little bit. Jangan calakan piring-piring. Okay, so you crush them a little bit. You can also try and crush them in your hand. Udah jadi. No. Yes, I wash my hands with soap. If you're gonna use, kalau mau pakai tangan, cuci tangan dulu. I always cuci tangan sebelum masak atau anything. Okay guys, so I'm going to use about a cup of oats. Kira-kira 1 cup. 1 cup cukup. But we'll put the madu. I won't use all the madu, I'll use about 3/4, 3/4. Selai kacang. Okay. Okay, there's mommy, calling mommy in the background. Kismis. Okay, kayu manis, cinnamon. Now I like cinnamon. Saya pakai cinnamon untuk banyak resep sarapan, French toast, apa aja saya pakai cinnamon. Semakin lebih baik daripada gula biasa. And the crushed almonds. Okay. Ooh, nice to meet you, my sweet treat. Okay. Okay, and then we go to town, stir it up. Aduk, 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 aduk. Now I might make a little bit more, might put a little bit more madu. Yeah, gonna put in a little bit more madu. Madu, madu, madu. We want to stir it. This is the hard part. You got to stir it until udah lumayan keras. Oke, ini sudah jadi guys. Ini kayak sedikit halus. Ya, yang penting pakai hati and do your best. Oke, untuk masak. Oke, bagus. Okay, now you're gonna need a loyang. Pokoknya it's like this. It's for kue. You can get them in beda bentuk, semakin lebih besar. Tapi ini saya punya ini. So, you wanna harus pakai sedikit minyak supaya tidak lengket. Sedikit banget. Get your spoon, or just let it roll around. Puterin aja supaya tidak lengket. Terus ambil isi, masukin. Nah, ini bukan full, ini bukan penuh banget tray-nya. Okay, so I need to make this. Ini harus padat. I got a couple of almonds that are big mamas. Okay, so we crush this in. Yee. Udah jadi. Terus masukin ke kulkas. Kira-kira 1 jam di kulkas. Bukan di kulkas ya, di freezer. Bukan di kulkas, not the fridge, the freezer. Oke, 1 jam. Ayo, saya ke sana. Oke. Ini sebenarnya trial. Wah, tidak ada apa aja. Yeah, right. Banyak banget barang. Taruh di mana? Aduh, ada icy balls di situ. Aduh, pindahin barang. Masukin 1 jam. Let's see. Semoga tidak terlalu hancur.
1 hour later.
Oke guys, sudah jadi honey roasted almond bar. Oke. 1 jam cukup. Ayo coba. Sedikit. Enak, endol. Alright guys. So pretty easy snack. Gampang sekali untuk masak. A little sweet treat. Jadi, if you want to kalau mau bikin a snack that's healthy, bikin sendiri semakin lebih baik daripada beli banyak-banyak. Okay? Guys, thanks for watching. Jangan lupa like, comment di bawah untuk mau saya masak untuk apa aja. Maybe snack dari Indonesia atau snack bule negara. Apa aja mau resep saya bikin, kasih tahu di komen. Dan guys, jangan lupa subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tyson Lynch YouTube TV. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye bye. Mau coba?